Wow, the beach looks so beautiful today.
Yeah, it's a perfect day for the beach. The weather's amazing.
I love the sound of the waves. It's so relaxing.
Totally. I come here almost every weekend.
Really? You must live nearby then.
Yeah, just about 10 minutes away. What about you?
I'm visiting from New York. First time at this beach.
Oh, welcome. You picked a great spot.
Thanks. The sand is so soft here.
Yeah, people say it's the best on this coast.
Do you swim often?
Yeah, almost every time I come. The water's usually warm.
That's awesome. I forgot my swimsuit though.
That happens a lot. You can still enjoy the view.
True. I might just dip my feet in.
Go for it. The water feels really nice today.
Okay, maybe later. Do you surf too?
Yeah, I do a little. Not a pro, but I love it.
Wow. Surfing looks hard.
It takes practice, but once you get it, it's fun.
I wish I could try sometime.
I could teach you if you want.
Really? That would be amazing.
Sure, just need a surfboard and good balance.
Balance. That might be a problem.
Everyone falls the first time. It's part of the fun.
I like that attitude.
You have to enjoy the process, right?
Absolutely. So, do you come alone or with friends?
Usually with friends, but today I came early by myself.
Nice. I like spending quiet mornings like this too.
Yeah, it's peaceful before the crowd arrives.
I can see that. The air feels so fresh here.
That's what I love about the ocean. It clears your mind.
Totally agree. I feel more relaxed already.
You should stay for sunset. It's beautiful here.
Oh, really? I'd love to see that.
The colors are amazing. Pink, orange, and gold.
Sounds perfect for pictures. Do you usually bring snacks?
Yeah, I always bring water and fruits.
Smart. I forgot to pack anything.
Don't worry. There's a small food stand over there.
Oh, great. What do they sell?
Mostly ice cream, sandwiches, and drinks.
Ice cream sounds perfect right now.
Yeah, it's the best on a sunny day.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate chip. What about you?
Vanilla with caramel.
Nice choice.
Maybe we should grab some ice cream later.
Yeah, let's do that.
So, do you work around here?
Yeah, I work at a surf shop just up the road.
Oh, that's cool. You must meet a lot of people.
Yeah, tourists from everywhere. It's fun.
Do they all want to surf?
Mostly, yeah. Some just rent boards for pictures.
That's me, probably.
No worries. Everyone starts somewhere.
So, how long have you been surfing?
About 5 years now?
That's a long time. You must be really good.
I managed to stay on the board most of the time.
That's already impressive.
You learn patience on the waves.
Sounds like a life lesson, too.
Exactly.
Do you ever get scared of big waves?
Sometimes, yeah, but it's about respect, not fear.
I like that. Respect the ocean.
Right. It's powerful, but peaceful.
You talk about it like it's a friend.
In a way, it is. The ocean listens when you need calm.
That's really poetic.
Maybe I spend too much time here.
Or maybe you just understand it. I can see why people love this place.
Yeah, it's kind of magical.
Do you ever come here at night?
Sometimes, to watch the stars.
That must look amazing.
Yeah, when it's quiet and dark, it's peaceful.
I'd love to see that someday.
You should. Bring a blanket and just look up.
I'll do that next time.
Promise?
Promise. Oh, I think the ice cream truck just came by.
Perfect timing. Let's grab something cold.
Let's go. I'll get vanilla caramel.
I'll stick with chocolate chip.
You really love that one, huh?
Absolutely.
The breeze feels so nice.
Yeah, not too hot today.
I'm glad I came here.
Me too. Meeting new people makes it better.
You're really friendly. Thanks for talking to me.
Of course. I enjoy good company.
Do you come every morning?
Not every morning, but often.
I might join you next time then.
That'd be great.
You can teach me surfing then.
Deal.
I'll try not to fall too much.
Falling's part of learning.
Do you ever teach kids too?
Yeah, we have a surf school nearby.
That's awesome.
The kids love it. They learn so fast.
I bet they're fearless.
Yeah, totally brave.
I wish I was that confident.
You will be. It's just practice.
Thanks, Coach.
Anytime.
So, do you travel much?
Sometimes, mostly around the coast.
Sounds nice. I've always wanted a beach life.
You can. It's all about choosing peace.
You make it sound easy.
It's simple, not easy.
Deep words for a surfer.
Hey, we think a lot out there on the waves.
I believe that.
You should write about this beach day.
That's a great idea.
You could call it My Ocean Friend.
I like that.
You can even add our ice cream scene.
Definitely.
So, how long are you staying here?
Just 3 more days.
That's short. You should stay longer.
I wish I could.
Maybe next time.
I'll definitely come back.
I'll be here, waiting with a surfboard.
And ice cream?
Of course.
Deal.
So, what do you like most about the beach?
The peace, the smell, and the sound of waves.
Same here. It never gets old.
You're lucky to live near it.
Yeah, I'm grateful every day.
Do you ever get tired of the sand?
Only when it's in my shoes.
Yeah, that's the worst.
But it's part of the beach charm.
True.
So, ready to go for a short walk?
Sure, let's walk by the water.
Just watch your steps. Shells everywhere.
Got it.
All right, let's go enjoy the day.
Thanks for showing me around.
Anytime. I'm glad you came.
This day will stay in my memory.
Same here.
Maybe we'll meet again.
I hope so.
Bye for now, ocean friend.
Bye, city friend.
See you soon.
See you. Enjoy the rest of your trip.